Okay, buckle up because your car insurance is about to get seriously futuristic and maybe a little weird. You know how sometimes the price just feels random? Like, where did they even get that number? Well, things are changing fast. Ever heard of telematics? Some insurance companies have these little trackers, maybe a device you plug in or an app on your phone that monitors how you actually drive, like your speed, how hard you brake, what time of day you're on the road, the whole deal. Yeah, kind of feels like your car is watching you, right? So here's the twist. Insurance companies are now piloting using artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze all that driving data basically in real time to decide your premium. The AI is effectively becoming the actuary, the math whiz who calculates risk and sets prices. Instead of just grouping you with similar drivers, it's looking specifically at your habits. Now, this sounds potentially cool if you're a super safe driver, right? Maybe you get a better deal, but hold up. If the AI is doing all this complex math, learning patterns from tons of data, who's double checking the AI's homework? Like, who audits the algorithm itself? Think about it. How do we know the AI isn't developing weird biases? Maybe it penalizes night shift workers unfairly just because driving late is statistically riskier, even if they are safe. Or what if it dings you hard for slamming the brakes once to avoid hitting a squirrel without understanding the context? A human actuary has guidelines, regulations, ethical standards. You can ask them to explain their reasoning. But how do you ask a complex AI model why it charged you 50 bucks more this month? How do you even appeal that? It kind of feels like this opaque black box is suddenly deciding how much money leaves your bank account. The tech is genuinely fascinating, and the idea of personalized pricing is interesting. But this whole accountability piece, knowing the calculations are fair and unbiased, that feels like a massive puzzle that needs solving. Is the potential reward worth the risk of an algorithm we can't fully peek inside making these big financial decisions for us? It's definitely something to keep an eye on. What do you think about this? Would you trust an AI to set your insurance rate based on how you drive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.